How to eat papaya seeds in order to detoxify your liver, kidneys as well as heal your digestive system. Christopher Columbus represented the real papaya as a fruit from the angels, which is no shock when we think of the sweet, delicate taste of the fruit, utilizing its soft density. This fruit has lots of healthy elements and provides various health benefits. They have effective anti-inflammatory characteristics that avoid serious health concerns, and they are of huge aid within the treatment of health problems like injuries, indigestion, such as cancer, blood sugar level, in addition to heart health problems. Nevertheless, we need to notify you that you have to stop tossing the seeds away since they are the very best part of this fruit. Papaya seeds might be taken and ground, smashed, or perhaps raw in addition to honey, within milk, and even in salad dressings. That is how in order to them and delight in their many health advantages. Enhance digestive wellness. This fresh fruit is incredibly ideal for digestion, and also the seeds possess powerful anti-parasite as well as antibacterial attributes, that assist the removal of the dangerous microorganisms through the intestinal tract. Additionally, papaya offers powerful antipathogenic attributes, which suggests you should really consume 1 TBSP from the seeds to take care of food poisoning as well as eliminate bacteria which may cause digestion problems. Reduce swelling and inflammatory diseases. This specific fruit includes 2 extraordinary enzymes, papain, in addition to chemopapain, that have reliable anti-inflammatory characteristics which successfully relieve swelling in the body when it concerns arthritis, gout discomfort, asthma, integrated discomforts, together with other inflammatory health problems. Detoxify your own kidneys. These seeds are great in the detoxing of your kidneys, and the potent anti-inflammatory, as well as antibacterial attributes, protect against a toxin-induced infection of the kidney. Reduce blood pressure. Many reports conducted upon lab rodents have shown this fruit significantly improves cardiovascular health. The compound it includes, carpain, efficiently supports cardio health, and also the papaya seeds, as well as leaves, reduce systolic, diastolic, as well as arterial high blood pressure. Detox your liver. These seeds were popular in the conventional Chinese medicine with regard to full body detox, plus they significantly enhance the function of the liver. The normal use of the TBSP of papaya seeds efficiently eliminates the harmful toxins out of the liver. Research has additionally shown they can be of excellent help in the situation of cirrhosis. You need to consume 5 seeds, twice every day for 30 days if you have cirrhosis. You may also grind the seeds, or even crush them if they're fresh in a mortar as well as a pestle, then add these to a TBSP of refreshing lime juice. You need to drink this particular papaya seeds treatment 2 times a day for 1 month. Stop cancer. Papaya seeds possess phenolic substances and flavonoids, that work as natural antioxidants and reduce the development of tumor tissues. Furthermore, the actual phytonutrient isothiocyanate efficiently safeguards against intestinal tract, breast, chest, and prostatic cancer. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you. Do